So what's up guys, this is Rash Yatavada on your channel RCT, and today we are going to discuss what are the necessary steps one should take before installing a new RAM or adding a new RAM in their PC. So two things are the most important. Number one, the RAM model. RAM model are of various types. From the early 2000s, HD RAM has been introduced in the world, and there are different types of HD RAM, that is DDR1, DDR2, DDR3, DDR4, but in present day, that is after 2010, the most popular RAM models are DDR3 and DDR4. So you should check what RAM model does your motherboard support and select that RAM model. Most of the motherboards support DDR3 and many motherboards support DDR4 model too. Number two is RAM frequency. So there is various RAM frequency. RAM frequency is nothing. It determines at what speed the RAM can transmit data. So you can think that the more RAM frequency, the more I can get, the more speed my computer will have. Yes, in a way, but if you want to buy the best RAM frequency, you should also have the best computer parts. If you don't have the best computer parts, then you should settle down for a less RAM frequency. That is, you should find a sweet spot. So I can suggest you one or two websites. Crucial is one of them. It Crucial determines or suggests you what frequency of RAM you should buy and do. So basic RAM frequency is 1333 MHz. So if you check your RAM frequency in some software, you will see that the RAM frequency is not 1333 or whatever the RAM frequency you have. Suppose you have 1600 MHz RAM frequency, but you check that the RAM frequency is 800 MHz. That is nothing to worry. This frequency is half of the original frequency, as it determines data transferring in one direction. So what you do, you multiply it by 2 and get your RAM frequency. Now buying a RAM frequency, you should, buying RAM frequency of more than your original one, you should keep two things in mind. One, you should match two RAM frequencies when you are adding a RAM to your computer. Suppose you have 1600 MHz on your previous RAM and you buy a new 2300 MHz new RAM. So the CPU can't decide at which megahertz it should run. It can't upgrade the 1600 MHz RAM, so it will downgrade or downclock the 2300 MHz RAM. So your PC will become slower as it will lose some of the energy. So if you want to buy a new RAM, I suggest you match RAM frequency of the previous one. Number two, if you are just replacing a new RAM, you can do whatever you want, but keep in mind you should check if your BIOS is locked or not. It's a terrible news if your BIOS is locked, like mine is. I bought a 1600 MHz RAM to only find out that my BIOS is locked. It can't get any higher than 1333, which is the basic of all RAM frequency. So you should check if you can edit the RAM frequencies in your BIOS option. That is, entering your BIOS should be easy, pressing F2 or delete button in most of the motherboards and going into advanced options to see if there is an overclocking option. If there is not, so your BIOS is locked. I am very sorry, but you should have to buy the RAM frequency which is pre-installed in your computer. The next thing I am telling you to do about RAM is, say you have 4 GB of RAM and you want to buy 16 gigs of RAM or 8 gigs of RAM, or add another 4 gigs of RAM of same frequency to that. You do that, but you see that there is no improvement of speed or development of your computer. Why is that? The answer is your PC has 32-bit operating system. So your 32-bit operating system does not support any more RAM memory greater than 4 gigabytes. So if you want to upgrade RAM more than 4 gigabytes, I suggest you should take a Windows 64-bit. I don't know about the Linux or the Mac OS, but Windows 32-bit does not support RAM memory more than 4 gigabytes. So that's all guys. Hope you like this video. Press the like button if you like this video. Hit the dislike button if you dislike video. Leave a comment below if you think there is anything I missed. In the next part, I am going to show you how to replace the RAM or add the RAM in your memory slot and what slot is best for you. Thanks, peace, and may the force be with you.